was over, and he was the last one to leave. I walked to his car in the dark, got out his key. His old ragged Bible he placed on the seat by his side. He prayed out loud to the Lord and started to drive. He said, "Carry me, Jesus, carry me home, Lord. I've done my best, now you the rest, and carry me home." Carry me, Jesus, carry me home, Lord. I've kept the faith, I've finished the race, and carry me home. Week after week, a year after year, this went on. And thousands were saved many times, and then he was gone. But a friend of mine told me he was there by his side. He said, "Mike, you should have heard those last words that old preacher said." He said, "Carry me, Jesus, carry me home, Lord. I've done my best, now you the rest, and carry me home." Carry me, Jesus, carry me home, Lord. I've kept the faith, I finished the race, and carry me